glass cleaner, tissue paper, even a normal cloth. If you are using any of these on your TV, you need to stop. Because modern TV screens have a delicate coating on top, and once it's damaged, there is no fixing it. The TV will still work, but the picture slowly starts looking dull. So before you clean your TV next time, just give me 5 minutes. I'll show you a simple, safe way to clean it properly. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to ClearBuy. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances. TVs, soundbars, washing machines, air conditioners to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. So first, let me tell you something most of us are not aware of. Whether you have an OLED, QLED, mini LED, or even a basic LED TV, the screen has a special anti-glare coating on top. And this coating, it's genuinely delicate. Once it gets damaged, that's it. The TV will still work, but the picture will never look as the same. Colors go dull, contrast drops, and you'll keep wondering, why does my TV suddenly look so off? The good news, taking care of it is honestly really simple. Let me walk you through it. But before I tell you how to clean, let me first tell you what to never use. Because most of us are using these things every day and slowly damaging our TVs without even realizing. Number 1, glass cleaners like Colin or anything ammonia based. These are made for windows and glass. On a TV screen, they strip the anti-glare coating completely. And once it's gone for good. Number 2, anything with alcohol. Hand sanitizer, surgical spirit, isopropyl alcohol, all of this slowly eat away the coating. Same with those cheap screen cleaning sprays sold at electronic shops for 50 to 60 rupees. Most of them have alcohol in them. Just avoid them. Number 3. Paper towels, tissue paper, kitchen towels. They feel soft to your fingers, but at a microscopic level, they have rough fibers that scratch the screen. And yes, that includes the old newspaper trick our parents used to swear by. It worked on old CRT TVs. Doesn't work on modern panels. Number 4. Never spray any liquid directly on the screen. Not even water. The liquid drips down to the bottom edge, seeps inside the TV. And that's electrical damage that can't be reversed. And number 5. Wet cloth. Damp is fine, wet is not. If any of this sounds familiar, it's okay. We have all done it at some point. Just start fresh from today and your TV will be fine. Now the right way. And honestly, it's much simpler. You only need 2 things. A soft microfiber cloth, the same kind you use it for spectacles or a camera lens. A pack of cost around 150 to 200 rupees on Amazon. And a small bottle of distilled water from any medical shop, 30 to 40 rupees. That's it. No fancy sprays, no expensive cleaners. Here is the exact process I follow at home. Step 1. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall always. It's safer and trust me, smudges and dust show up so much clearer on the black screen. Step 2. If the TV was just running, give it 5 to 10 minutes to cool down. Never clean a hot screen. Step 3. Take your dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen to lift the dust. Soft circular motions or wipe in one direction. Don't press hard. These screens are way more delicate than they look. Step 4. For fingerprints, smudges or stubborn marks, take a second clean microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with distilled water. And here is the key. Wring it out properly. The cloth should be just damp, not dripping wet. Now wipe gently over the marks, light circular motions, no pressure. Step 5. Immediately take a third dry cloth and wipe off any moisture. Don't let dampness sit on the screen. Step 6. Let it air dry for a couple of minutes before you plug it back in. And that's it. 5 minutes under 200 rupees. Way simpler than it sounds. Now, while you're at it, take 2 minutes for these. The vents at the back of TV, wipe them with a dry brush or a small hand blower. Dust trapped here causes overheating. And overheating slowly kills the TV from inside. So this matters more than people realize. The remote. Wipe it with the same slightly damp microfiber. Honestly, the remote is one of the dirtiest things in your living room. You really don't want to think about how many germs are sitting on it. And the area around your HDMI ports, quick dust wipe, that's all. And if you have an OLED TV, one extra thing worth knowing. OLED screens have an even more delicate coating than regular LEDs. So go even gentler. For routine cleaning, just dry microfiber is enough. Use the slightly damp method only when there are real fingerprints or smudges. Honestly, the less you touch an OLED screen, the longer it lasts. Just a microfiber cloth, a little distilled water, and a gentle touch. That's all it takes. No sprays, no chemicals, no risk. Clean it this way every couple of weeks, and your TV will stay looking new for years. I have shared the best microfiber cloths and distilled water links in the description. You can check them out. And if this helped you in any way, hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like more videos like this. Until then, don't just buy. ClearBuy. See you soon.